Hello, I'm back again with another video. This one is on variation. What is variation? No one cares. We don't care, do we? We just solve. No, actually, I'm kidding. Variation is a situation where it shows how one variable is affecting the other. For example, when one variable increases, we expect whether a reduction or an increase in another. Yeah, so it's just a matter of having that relationship between variables. Yeah, and then I think we're good to go, right? Yeah, let us solve this question. This question was gotten from 2024 paper, internal, Zambian syllabus mathematics, syllabus D, yeah, for quality purposes. So this one says it is given that A varies as B, as B. Oh, I think I was stammering when I was writing this, like people stammer, right? Like they say one thing over and over again, like you know what I'm trying to say. So even me, I also stammered. So it is given that A varies as B. You can remove this. Varies as B, and inversely as the square of C. And A is 9 when B is 12 and C is 2. Find the value of K, constant variation. So first of all, you have to write this English that is there in mathematical statement. Of course, variation. Okay, so you're saying A, this A there, varies. We use this symbol, varies as B. This is direct. Then inversely, that is now we introduce the division sign as the square of, say, like this. So that statement alone is like this. So now from here, we're going to introduce an equal sign. When you introduce an equal sign, it means even K will now emerge. So I did not write about the solution, but you know these are solutions, right? Yeah, good. So now, using equal sign, we're going to say A is equal to KB over the square root of C. That's what is there, right? It is given that A varies as B and inversely as the square of C. Yeah, like that. Then from this one now, first question, always find the value of K, which is the constant variation. Now, this constant variation is a number that does not change. Whether A changes, B changes, C changes, it doesn't care. That's why it is constant. Remember we said variation, when one variable changes, the other one also, there will be a change, whether a reduction or an increase. But with K, it doesn't. And we'll show you, I'll show you what I mean by that, because you notice that we'll be using this number without changing. So now we're told that in the question that A is equal to 9, just substitution. K, we don't know what K is. Allow me to use the number first so that the K goes in front there, because if I write K5, K what, it doesn't make sense, does it? Nah. So B is 12, so 12, then K in front there over. C, what are we told? C is 2. So 2, remember, there's a square there. Yeah. So is equal to 9, is equal to 12K over 4 squared, that is 4, that is 2 times 2, it's 4. I said 4 squared, no, it's 2 squared. Then we cross multiply, then we have 12K here is equal to 9 times 4, that is 18 plus 18, that is this 36? Yeah, 36. Yeah, if I get them wrong, just do the right thing there. No, I would try by my best not to mess up. So 12 out, then we have K is equal to 3. Yeah, 12 into 6 is 3. 3. And this is secret, and this becomes the answer. All right, so what else do they want us to find? So for number A, we're done. I think this is just 1 mark. Yeah. B, they're saying find the value of A when B is 16 and C is 4. Now here, remember, we said it's A is equal to KB over C squared, right? So now, in our case, we will be replacing K each time we solve from henceforth. So they are saying find the value of A when B, find the value of A, that is A, when B is equal to 16 and C is equal to 4. Okay, let's see. So this time around, we're not going to leave K. We won't spare K. Why? We have K there. So I'm sorry, K. So now where there's K, we're going to put 3. Then where there's B, what have they said on B? Oh, they said it's 16. Good. Then over C. I think C, 4 squared. Please on this one. This 4 squared. This is 4 squared. 4 squared. Okay. A is equal to 3. Then 16 there. Please, I beg you on this one. 4 squared is not 4 times 2. 4 times 4, which is 16. Yeah, if you want, you can say no, 3 times 16 is equal to whatever that number is, and then that number, whatever it is, into 16. Then we're going to find the same answer. But it will be the same answer as saying just this one out. Which one is easy? The same one. We are here to solve, not to play. So A is equal to 3. That's all. That's all. Because if we say 3 times 16 is what? Is it 48? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, 48, and then 48 divided by 16 is 3. Yeah. Yeah. So still on the same answer. So we're done. Again, this one mark. And then the other question, what is it saying? The other question. Dingo. The value of C when B is equal to 25 and A is equal to, is that 3? My handwriting is poor. Oh, good. Yeah, this is 3. Okay. The same formula. A is equal to KB over C squared. Now we're looking for C. So let us substitute this. They said A is what? A is 3. 3 is equal to, remember, K is 3. And then B they are saying 25 over C squared. Are you noticing what I'm noticing there? I've noticed that here K was 3, K is 3. So K doesn't change. No wonder it is a constant. That's why I said I'll show you what it means when we say K is constant. It doesn't change. Everything else is gonna change, but K, nope. All right, since we have this now, what do we do? Okay. I'm sorry for that. So we cross multiply. Actually, I expect you also to do the same. Yeah, so we do something like that. Then you're going to have 3C squared is equal to, yeah, okay. Let me just write like that, the way it is. Then 25, like that. Then over 3 over 3. So this one out. So we have C squared is equal to, actually, if you want again, you can say 3 times 25, which is 75, and then 3 into 75, it is 25. Oh, why do you have to go all that? Sorry, all that process. Let us just cancel this. Then we have 25 there. Please, we only cancel if there's multiplication sign there. But if there was plus sign, we can't. Only if there are brackets like the way they are, or there's a multiplication sign. That's when we can cancel. So here's will be 25. Okay, I know some of us may be excited and say, no, C squared is equal to 25. But remember what they're saying. And there's even a difference, huh? The values of C. So there are 2. So here, we're going to square root both sides so that this square root and this square are done away with. Then C is equal to 2 values. The square root of 25 is what? Which two numbers can we multiply by themselves to give us 25? Two numbers. Not too many numbers actually. One number, but we can multiply by it twice to give us 75. To give us 25 rather. So there are two numbers. There's one, which is 5. Yeah, 5 times 5 is 25, right? Yeah. Or there's again negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 5, positive 25. Good. So this is the answer. Because if you write 1, they just give you half a mark. But you can write, say, C is equal to plus or minus 5. This one is just the same as that one. All right. I hope you like this video. Please support me. And by support, I mean do what? You share this video. Tell it. Preach it to your friends to say, this, yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. Until next time, bye-bye. Toodles.